My name is Rachel Swinfen from NetApp, and I look after NTT here in the UK and Ireland. I'm really excited to be part of the London DC1 launch and want to talk to you about the work we've been doing in partnership with NTT on the Technology Experience Labs. Digital transformation in some shape or form is necessary for businesses to function efficiently and thrive in today's commercial world, especially in light of COVID. A recent NTT study and white paper on the hesitancy gap highlighted reasons why businesses delay digital transformation. Firstly, finding the right technology. This includes deciding where to host that technology. Perhaps the data center exit strategy makes sense, in which case a partner is required. If choosing to remain in the customer's own data center, then choices could be colo, managed hosting, or a full SLA-driven managed service. It may seem like this shouldn't matter too much, but it will or should affect technology decisions that are made. And once you know where to put it, what are you putting there? Have you clearly defined business outcomes? This will drive the technology decisions, workload placement, etc. How do you connect your infrastructure? Security, connectivity, in cloud, near cloud, hybrid cloud. The second barrier is finding the right partners. We know RFPs are a little old-fashioned, but how can you test a group of technology partners' ability to interact and work together? Not only the technology interoperability, but the resources that sit behind that. Using the Technology Experience Lab allows you to discover partner capabilities that could help you. And finally, end-to-end testing. Deploying a full solution to test the entire stack and surrounding functions is expensive to do in-house, and in reality, very difficult. Evaluating different vendors and putting them head-to-head, you can run a Pepsi test, or connect your existing production environment to test migration and other functions. Connect to hyperscalers to test hybrid capabilities. And finally, accelerate the decision-making process and move from proof of concept to production extremely quickly. Bottom line, make the tell work for you to help you quickly and easily build the right solution and select the most appropriate partners to work with you. NTT and the NetApp partnership. So NetApp are really excited to work with NTT in the tell for two primary reasons. Firstly, it allows us to deepen our partnership and bring other key technology partnerships together to build complete solutions that deliver clear and measurable business-led outcomes. The end result is a better experience for our joint customers. For example, we are working with NTT and Red Hat to develop, demonstrate and deliver leading solutions into the financial services industry. And then closer partnership and deeper relationships helps to foster thought leadership and innovation. By working together along with other key partners, we will continue to co-create solutions that deliver value to your business. NTT Global Data Centers and NTT Limited are uniquely positioned to deliver not only the infrastructure to support your business, but the end-to-end capabilities to help you transform your business and run it efficiently. NetApp are very happy to provide the data management expertise and vision to help support these capabilities. This slide is about objectives and partnering to build solutions that deliver real business outcomes. So firstly, accelerate the solution design and evaluation. If we remove or reduce the hesitancy gap, we can ensure our customers are able to make the right decisions faster, using global capabilities to provide remote options. Not all businesses are global, but since COVID, we all now need to consider some level of geodiversity. This could be enabling a remote workforce or delivering a consistent service to multiple locations across different countries and geographies. NTT have huge global presence and capabilities and are located very close to hyperscalers. End result is you can use the TEL to build and test remote services, again ensuring that you make the right choices. And again, NetApp have the data management capabilities to support solutions and deliver true hybrid multi-cloud architectures, ensuring your data is in the right place, at the right time, at the right cost. Delivering outcomes that customers need. We take a customer-led approach, simply meaning we listen to what our customers need and work together to deliver that. And driving co-innovation. For most, the TEL is about delivering against today's requirements. However, businesses' requirements are changing so rapidly and technology advancing at such a pace that we need to work hard to understand and evaluate future state. To that end, we also partner closely to determine and deliver the requirements that your business will have in the future. So the next slide is around a financial services use case on digital transformation. It describes how we're working to deliver essential outcomes based on the needs of today. We completed this work with a legacy bank that was under threat from challenger or neobanks, and also much stricter regulatory compliance such as open banking and instant payment directives. The bank completely overhauled their infrastructure, development processes and business processes to meet compliance requirements 8 months ahead of time and decreased payment times down from 10 minutes to 5 seconds. Importantly, their infrastructure and processes are now agile enough to allow the business to scale massively and quickly as and when they need to. Other than the obvious compliance outcome, the bank is not only well positioned to defend against challenger banks, but is now winning new customers thanks to a vastly improved user experience. NTT, Red Hat and NetApp are working hard on other key use cases for the financial services industry. If there's something specific you would like to see, please do let us know. This slide is around the Internet of Things. There's a large focus on IoT and AI and machine learning to drive smart platforms and solutions. Being able to provide this in the TEL removes the guesswork and steep learning curve for customers, ensuring they can deliver the right outcome with as little pain and cost as possible. The potential use cases are endless, but importantly, the infrastructure required is largely similar. So let's look at some of the key takeaways. We've talked around the hesitancy gap and how we can help you accelerate your journey to maximise the opportunity to use the London One data centre. I've talked around the importance of partnership. NTT, NetApp and many other leading technology partners are here to help you. The Technology Experience Labs. These provide you with a production-like, safe and easy to use environment. And finally, use cases. Selecting from predetermined use cases, or we can help you determine and tailor to your requirements.